Hello all, it's Sharon. In today's video we're back in my closet. So I did move my two purses to the outside of my closet here with the emergency bag. And then in the closet, it's pretty well organized. But what I did do is I went through the fall, Halloween, and the other bin that was Christmas. And I did get rid of one bin. So this bin here is completely empty. I'm going to move this bin into Nate's closet. And he wants to keep some of his clothes that he no longer wears and like some of his memory stuff in there. So I thought, yeah, that's perfect for that. I did add some more of like my smaller American Girl like outfits and stuff into this bin, and some of their like larger like animals. And then there's that large pumpkin there that didn't fit into the fall bin. But yeah, the closet's looking pretty good and organized. Now in today's video, we're going to be organizing some other items. I did get this pocket here from Amazon, and I did add some of our Easter decor that we had. But I have this bin down here, and when I emptied this, I have this whole bin here of mainly fall and Halloween stuff, but they're smaller items. So I'm hoping that these items, once I sort them all out, will fit into those pockets that I have hanging over the closet door. Plus there's other items in here that are like craft items, which I'll probably move over to like his homeschool art area. But yeah, we're going to go through this. I also have another bag in the kitchen with either items that I'm going to be donating or like getting rid of because it's broken. But yeah, I'll take you over to the kitchen and show you those items now. So just a couple items for donations. We have two of these jack-o'-lanterns from Dollarama. The other one is more bright orange, and this one is more like sun faded. And this one also has a tiny little crack here on the nose. So we decided to keep the other one, and this one we're going to donate because you can still use it. And then we have this Christmas tree that we don't really use for anything, so I thought we'd donate that as well. And then we have two of these little green buckets. So I figured one we can donate. And then Nate didn't want this little tree anymore, so we'll donate that. And this Christmas star. And then we have these rings, which I believe came from Dollarama as well. And they had like antlers, and it was like a tossing game. Now, you could blow these up and maybe use them in your pool, so we'll donate those as well. I do have these plastic trays that are like bats. I think this one came from the Dollar Tree, and this one came from our local dollar store. And I use them at like Halloween time for like the pet dishes. But they don't need to stay in those bins. I took them out. I'll just put them with the regular cat dishes. And then these plastic cups are in there as well. There's 3 left, so I'm just going to keep these with our regular plastic dishes. But I did remove anything that was broken as well. So like we have one of his old Halloween buckets that has a big split in it. And this item here, I'm going to be keeping the front part. It's like a little mummy. The front part is okay. The back part has this crack in the back, so that part will destroy it, and I'll save the front part is still like some, decor. Then we have some other items here that have rips in them. These lights do not light up anymore. This other bag ripped. It looks like the cat took a chunk out of that. So yeah, I'm just going to get rid of these items, and then I'm going to go now sort out all the items that were in that box and see if we can fit the items into those little pockets over my closet door. So this is everything I emptied out of that cardboard box. So I have some craft items and like those erasers we use as counters. I'm going to move those items over, like these little sticker activity coloring packs and those pencils and these little crafty bits here. I'm going to move to the homeschool art area. And then I kind of divided things into categories. There wasn't a lot of Christmas. There's some like light bulb replacements and some little bells. But then I put all the little small jack-o'-lanterns. But these that my mom made me, they're magnets. All the lights here, the little gnomes, the other magnets from Dollarama, all the ornaments together. The ducks, the little, anything that looks like a rat, bat, spider, and then some other fall decor here. So what I'm going to do is take the piles and put them in those little pockets, and we'll see if I can fit hopefully all these items on that over the door pocket. So here is the final look of the Amazon shoe organizer turned into holiday decor organization. This could not have worked out any perfect. It's just, I love the way it turned out. So yeah, if you live in a small space and you want to use vertical space, these over-the-door shoe organizers are perfect for sorting out little small items. And I was able to fit, like I said, a lot into here. I don't know if I could fit another one here or put one in behind here. I might try it and maybe sort out some more of our smaller items for other holidays. But yeah, this worked out so perfect. I also rolled up some of Nate's like costume pieces, and our cable runner for Christmas is in here too. But yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you an idea in case you live in a small space as well. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you next one. Take care, and bye for now.